what was the first thing you thought when you heard of an insurance adjuster? So, take yourself back to when you wanted to change careers.
What is an adjuster? That was the first thing I thought.
Yeah.
I had actually been considering a career change. I just was on a job site and I put in some keywords: travel, make some good money, and help people, just to see what I would come up with.
Yeah, of course. So remind me again, what career did you have before?
Prior to becoming an adjuster, I was the manager of an orthodontic practice for 5 years. I had gotten my real estate license and found my niche in property management. So I was kind of doing that a little bit on the side. And before that, I was a stay-at-home mom for 14 years. So I needed a change. And I've been through a lot of catastrophe type situations in my life. And so I kind of knew what it felt like to lose as I was learning about, becoming an adjuster and what they do for the policyholder and kind of how they're there for them, not just helping them with their claim, but even emotionally a little bit. That attracted me a lot.
That's amazing. So was AdjusterPro always on your radar?
So it was not always on my radar. As I was, Googling questions like, what is an adjuster? What is an independent adjuster? What's a desk adjuster? Those questions were very often answered by AdjusterPro's blog. AdjusterPro has a blog with tons of great blog posts. They've got years of experience under their belt, and the things that they're asking me to do are going to require me to step outside of my comfort zone. As an independent, you're marketing yourself. It's your own business, but they've been successful, so I'm just going to have to do what they did. And that's exactly what I did, and it worked.
So let's say I was trying to change careers right now and become an insurance adjuster. What are the questions that I need to answer to myself before I do that change?
What's your why? And, if you're already working a full-time job and you're exhausted and you're taking care of a family, why are you doing it? You want to help people. That's got to be big. And you would like to make a living doing it. But deciding why you're making this jump and writing down the pros of that and the cons of that. But once you've made that decision, keep that at the forefront, and that keeps you going.
So with all that being said, how would I get started? What are those first steps that you would take?
The first step is to get your license. Often while you're doing your studying, you're going to be kind of deciding, do I want to do desk? Do I want to do field? Do I want to work as an independent? You start doing your research and you get your plan together once you've made that decision and start looking at what kind of openings. For me, I was going to go with whoever said yes first, or whoever would give me an opportunity first, just to get some experience, and then be ready to say yes to whoever's willing to take you first. And my plan was, if a carrier offered me a job, I'd give that a year and then decide, do I want to stay with the carrier or do I want to go and do what I ultimately wanted to do, independent adjusting as a catastrophe adjuster. And as it turned out, I got to be a catastrophe adjuster first.
Well, hey, I thank you so much for your time.
Well, thank you for having me. Thank you for your questions.
Yeah, thanks for sharing your story. I do appreciate it.